everybody. Now we're going to get into problems solved by formulas. Remember, I've already made this clear. You're a problem if you don't conform and do what the fuck they say. Because it's tradition, right? It's always been done like this. There can't be another way. Yet, they don't want another way, but we're going so far in national debt, it's fucking never going to be paid. Let's get into this, shall we? Okay. The formula for the perimeter of a triangle. Again, triangle, the Alcoholics Anonymous coin triangle. You're getting it. That's why the daily reflection, I forget the day, but it's around spring, I believe, is this: you must conform to the AA way of life. And this is what they do, okay? If the sides have lengths 12 inches, 14 inches, and 17 inches, what is the perimeter? Like I said, they have to figure out every side of you. What are your boundaries? What do you love? What do you hate? Same thing as a graph, isn't it? Okay. Let your lengths of the sides be A, B, and C. Let the perimeter be P. Write the formulas in the perimeter. Oh. So you put an extra in there. Your triggers, right? Yeah. In parts C and F, use the formula made in part B. Find P when A is 15, B is 20, and C is 25. Find P when 78, B is 26, and C is 34. Find B when P is 92, A is 22, and C is 40. Find C when P is 105, A is 25, and B is 35. The formula is for a perimeter of a rectangle. Like I showed, they use every different way they can to try to box you in. Wait, box you in, right? If the sides of a rectangle have lengths 6 and 10, what is a perimeter? Let the lengths of the sides be H, and B, let the perimeter be P. See how they're fucking with you? What are their likes and hates? And what are their triggers? It's that simple to box you in? Wow. Write the formula for a perimeter. In parts C to E, use the formulas made in part B. Find P when H is 15 and B is 35. Oh. Find H when P is 110 and B is 35. Find B when P is 140 and H is 25. The automobile salesman receives a pay of P dollars per month. P is determined by the formula P equals 125 plus 03 cents. 03S, sorry. But that's pretty much what it is. S is the number of dollars worth of cars he sells during the month. Make a table. Oh, I told you. Of corresponding values of P and S when S equals $2,000, $2,500, $3,000, $3,500, and $4,000. How many dollars worth of cars must he sell in order to pay for the month he will be $207.50? Yet, they're missing the whole thing of their equation. They're not factoring. Actually, no. What they're doing is they're taking what they're spending to have it on the light to advertise, and they're making him pay for it. Like this is indirect math to make you work for something that you didn't make the debt for. Does that make sense? But that's how they work, right? Because it makes no sense how they do this stuff. Like, you went in debt for this, you owe this much money on this, and I have to make enough money for you to profit and me to profit? Nah, it don't work like that. Because, look, that's like saying, if you're going to eat, you need to eat from me too. What? Come on. Your system's so fucked. But hey, do your thing. It's a tradition, right?